Student card fee is 10 lira, but if you lose your valid student card, you may obtain a replacement. A fee of 10 lira is charged for the first replacement, 20 lira for second and third replacement, and 40 lira for fourth replacement. You must have a valid identification when applying for a lost card. Visa fee is 5 lira. If student's card is improperly used, monthly loading fees has to be paid. Also, you can transfer balance from old card to new one. If card is used by another person, owner gets to find equivalent to 1 month of loading fee. Have a nice day. For more further information following videos, please see the following videos.